Hi, I'm Dr. Ford, and I wanted to talk about, is AI good for nutrition? AI, whatever platform you want to use, AI could be ChatGPT, it could be Google, it could be anything, but I saw today someone say they're on a really restrictive diet, like they can't have gluten, they can't have, there was a lot of stuff, bananas, avocados, certain nuts, dairy, sugar. I'm assuming they meant added sugar. And so what she did is this person went to ChatGPT and said, design me a day in the life diet. Like, I want to know what I can eat in a day. And ChatGPT pushed out this really nutritious meal plan. It was breakfast and lunch and dinner. As a dietitian that's been in the field for 2.5 decades, 25 years, my brain went, oh no, what if someone is a diabetic or is on certain meds and does this and there's some medical complications? My brain went to the intricacies of nutrition planning, where if you have a average person that has a lot of nutrition preferences, I think this could be really, really cool. And you're not really wanting someone to walk you through it. You just kind of want the plan and you're ready to go. But I just wanted to pause because I wanted to say, okay, but does it take into account energy needs? Is it taking into account life stage? Is it taking into account stress? So when I talk with medical professionals in the field that they use AI for, give me all the background on this med or whatever, it's really cool how this tool can be used wisely, but anything made good can be made evil. And so I just thought, is this tool going to replace humans interacting with humans in regards to food? And I thought, no, because connection and joy is not felt with artificial intelligence. It's felt with human to human energy. And so I think you can have the best of both. You can use AI in such a way to create tools so then you can go and enjoy your meals with loved ones. But to tell your story with food and to have someone experience it and witness it and validate and believe you, that is something that cannot be replaced if it's not a human. So I'm not worried about it. It made me pause. If this is helpful, enjoy.